In this video, I'm going to share with you my 4 simple but effective steps on how I deep clean my refrigerator. If you're looking for tips, ideas, or just a motivation to clean your own refrigerator, and then this video is for you. Let's jump in. Hi family, welcome to Enjoy Your Space. If you're here for the first time, my name is Nyampan Hmine. I produce content each week on tips and ideas on how to clean your own space. If you like to join the family, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that every time I produce content, you are notified. Make sure you watch until the end, and if you like the video, please give it a thumb up. This video that I'm going to share with you shortly is a series. It's a part 1. I'm just doing a deep cleaning. Part 2 will come out next week, where I'll be organizing my refrigerator. I hope you enjoy this. Let's jump in. This is the before and this was the after. Guys, this was a huge transformation. If you'd like to see my full 4-step process on how I achieved this, please watch until the end. Step 1 is to empty your refrigerator. Place everything on a kitchen table, a countertop, or in a cooler if you have one. My first tip here for you is that do this deep cleaning when your refrigerator is almost empty and just before your next grocery shopping. If you're wondering what are the white stuff, I was opening a can of soda just before I started cleaning and it's exploded. Step 2 is to remove all the shelves, the bins and drawers and place them in your washing area. Off camera, I did spray the shelves with my vinegar mix and I sprinkle on baking soda. Please make sure you pay attention to all the area where you're removing your shelf so that putting them back later will be easy. Step 3 is to clean the interior. I went ahead, took my e-cloth and spray the interior with my vinegar mix and really gave it a thorough wipe. I went ahead again with a clean e-cloth and gave it a final wipe down. I went ahead and washed all the door bins and shelves, wiped them and then put them back in the refrigerator. Here I'm using a brush. It's a long brush. I don't know where I bought it, but this was the perfect for this deep cleaning. It was really easy to reach some of the corners that I could have not reached with my normal cleaning sponge. The tip here for you is that start cleaning your door bin first and then wipe them and place them back in the refrigerator. Doing that give you more space to start cleaning the shelves, because the shelves, depending how big your refrigerator is, will need enough space for cleaning. But if you see me smiling, entertaining my daughter down there, she's playing on her high chair. So when you're washing your shelves, please be careful. I'm sure most of the refrigerator shelves are made of glass. It's a bit fragile, so you need to be gentle here and just be careful so that you don't drop them. As I told you before, if you didn't pay good attention to how these shelves are put in the fridge, this is what happens, guys. It was a struggle for for me to put this shelf back and the drawer. But finally, I managed to put them back. But just pay attention when you're removing them. When you're placing back your shelves, just make sure you give good distance between the shelves so that you have enough space to put your items back in. Just give them a good distance so that you have space between the shelves. Guys, this is why I love deep cleaning. The feeling of joy and happiness I get afterward, it's amazing. My refrigerator was looking super clean, was smelling fresh, and it was looking brand new, guys. This is amazing. I hope you like this. Please give it a thumb up if you like, and my next video is going to be how I organize my refrigerator after this. I've got like some cool bins that I'm going to experiment with how to organize my refrigerator.